Hey everyone, this is my LED Tetris project that I've been working on this past winter break going into 2020. I just got Arduino recently, a kit, so just wanted to play around with it a little bit. Let me reset the board. It's a very simple circuit. It's just a joystick and like a LED matrix, as well as a Mega 250 2560. Yeah, so the way it works, you just press the button, starts the game. You can move it around. I'm not too good at Tetris, but we'll see how we can do this. Yep. Yeah, so it's just pretty simple. You just move stuff around. If you think this is a little bit slow, you can make it faster. Like push it down, just like that. I don't use it too much because I'm not too good at Tetris, but as you can see, it works just like any other Tetris game. Notice I'm just using the joystick, and then let's see if I lose. What happens if I lose? Well, it says GG. So that's a little bit of a flavor I just added there. So it's the code is on GitHub. If you want to check out more of the project, just look there. There's also some descriptions on my website, heydavid.kim. So feel free to check that out. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.